Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the video presentation of the banking application for the project, for the capstone project. I'm gonna show you guys here the database and the API, how does it work, what decision did I make. So I will start with the database. So I used MongoDB as my database. As you can see, this is a screenshot of the database. Um, you can see that I'm using Studio 3T to be able to check the database. Here's the everything that's stored in it so far. What I did it's just some trials for the database. So pretty much it's working. Mm, the data that it's persistent and stored in the database is the sample username, which is able at mit.edu. Also name and password for it, and balance as well. Um, that's what that it's what's stored in the database. Um, as seen in class, what I did was use the data abstraction layer to be able to take the take the data from the input fields and take it to the database. Um, I did this with the help of Docker containers. So that's how I'm running this database with Docker and MongoDB. And I didn't add any new features to the database because that this is what is actually needed for the bank application to work. I didn't find appropriate to change or add anything. Um, you need a username, you need a password, you need a name, and you need a balance. That's pretty much it. So it's working great. It's a great example of how to use a database. So I just kept it simple and like we did in class. Now for the API, I used a RESTful API. That's how I get the data to be able to be transferred with the get and post and delete methods. So as you can see, I take the data from a JSON file that's written by the database, and then that's how this is transferred to and from the database as a RESTful API. And that's it for the database and the API. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.